In this video, we're going to show you how to locate and utilize your spare tire jack located in your trunk. We're going to go ahead and open up our trunk lid. We're going to reach inside and we're going to pull out the trunk liner. Go ahead and pull the trunk liner out, set that aside. Then once you have your trunk liner out, you want to go ahead and locate your jack. It's located right inside the foam inset here. Go ahead and pull your jack unit out and the handle. Let's go ahead and show you where the jacking points are to put your jack. Now on your vehicle, there's going to be 4 jacking points. There's going to be 2 on the driver's side, 2 on the passenger side. Now on these 2 points right here on the driver's side are going to be pinch weld points where you're going to be able to put your jack onto and then crank up and raise the vehicle off the ground, safely allow you to change the tires as necessary. On the rear side, we have our pinch weld right here where your jack is going to lock onto. On the front side here, we have our pinch weld. It looks very similar to the rear, and this is where you're going to put your jack over here. So here we can go ahead and raise our jack up, and we're going to put that pinch weld right inside the groove on our jack. Once you have that engaged, you can go ahead and use your crank handle. Raise the vehicle as necessary. The process for this is the same for the back pinch weld as well. Once you're done using the jack, go ahead and crank that down. Spin that all the way down, and then we're going to go ahead and replace it back in the trunk where we found it. Go ahead and place your jack components back in the original position where you got them from. And once that is in, we're going to go ahead and install our trunk liner back in here. Let's go ahead and install your trunk liner. Shut your trunk, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.